I have a completely non-stamping card for you today. I absolutely love die cutting. I die cut on almost every single card I make. And so today I'm featuring the Wanted to Say dies, which have some different words in them. And then I love that it has the background that goes behind the words, so it can kind of pop that out there with the double layer. Next, we're going to just be doing a ton of paper piecing. Now, I've cut different widths of pieces of paper using all the new in colors, and I just put together a whole background. Now, I'm going to have the different measurements listed for you, as well as close-up pictures on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and I will have all of it on there for you. Now, what I like to do for this technique is I like to use the liquid glue, which is my favorite adhesive, and you can kind of put it down there first and then just lay your strips of paper on it, and it works really well. I think that that's the easiest way to do this, instead of putting it on each individual little piece of paper. So we'll cover the whole background here, and then we'll trim off the excess that sticks out, and then the card front will be finished. And then we can just layer the words on there, as well as some gems, of course, and then it will be finished. Now think of the different color combos you could do for this, like for the holidays, or for a specific birthday theme, or even like graduation if you want to use like black and white, kind of the traditional graduation theme colors. I just think that there's so many possibilities with this layout. So I hope you enjoy it. Have a wonderful day and hop off on over to my website.